Good day everyone. In behalf of my group mates, I will be the one to explain and demonstrate the first and second postulates of Euclid. The first postulate of Euclid is the simplest path. The activity is to show 2 points on board, connect them using curves, zigzag, and finally a straight line. So, nag-define tayo na of 2 points, point A and point B. And i-connect daw na to siya sa curve, line of zigzag, and finally sa straight line. And the question is, why is the straight line the simplest and shortest path? So as you can see sa illustration na drawing, curves of ang zigzag is dili siya shortest line because it deviates from straight path o nag-change po ang yang direction. And it is obvious na ang straight line is the shortest path kay ang straight line is siya ang most direct na line. And this is the main point of the first postulate of Euclid. And now we will move on to the second postulate of Euclid. The activity is to draw a line segment on a paper, then take additional sheets and keep extending it. So, naara ang piece of paper na line segment. Ang 2 endpoints is na siya sa edge sa papel. Ang paper is just a representation lang, a physical representation, and ang line na atong i-drawing is dili siya physical thing. And kung mag-add pa ta og mas daghan na papel, na piece of paper. Atong gi-prove na ang line is dili siya gaan, but tong sa piece of paper is na siya end points. And in geometry, a line goes on forever in both directions, even though the paper ends. The line itself does not. The postulate to the beyond page tells us that a line has no endpoints and go infinitely.
So on behalf of my classmates, I am assigned to explain and demonstrate the third postulate of Euclidean geometry. So the third postulate is circle is everywhere. So Euclid's third postulate states a circle can be drawn with any centric and any radius. Any circle can be drawn from the end or start point of a circle, and the diameter of a circle will be the length of the line segment. So explain why can the circle be drawn from any center and distance. So a circle can be drawn from any center and distance because the center can be any point on the plane, and the distance from the center to the points on the circle is the radius. And let's proceed to the demonstration of a circle. And it proved that a circle can be drawn through center and distance. So according to the center can be any point on the plane. So I use plain bond paper para ma-demonstrate na to kung saan pag-create the circle. So, and also, a circle can be drawn from the end or start point. So, same ra sila sa center. So, ang center, mauna ni ang point. And mag-start of create sa circle is mag-start siya sa point. And also, the distance from the center to the points on the circle is the radius. So, which is mauna ni siya and also, mauna ni siya ang radius or what we call distance. And then, to better create a circle, mag-add rata of multiple segments para maka-create of circle. So, we add multiple segments para maka-create of circle. And also, nakuha naman nato ang center and distance, which is mo na niya ito ang center. And mo na niya ito ang distance, which is a radius. So, kaya ang fixed distance math is called radius. So, and also, maka-create ta og circle using a congruent signal. Therefore, a circle can be drawn from any center and distance. So, mo na to, center and the distance. So, na-prove na nato nga the third postulate is true.
Proceed for postulate for the right angle test. So, natay, ang example sa right angle test is natay bond paper and notebook. So, kaning bond paper o notebook kay ipatong silang duha, pareha man sila na ay edges. So, kaning sila duha is they are both right angles kay perfect man sila duha kay na sila yung mga edges. So, the right angle match because by definition, a right angles is the same size everywhere. This means whenever two lines meet to form a right angle, they are always equal and consistent. So, this is important to our real life because kung wala ang right angles, dili ta maka-measure og perfect pareha sa mga building, furniture, and technology. The example of technology is ang charger and plugs. Kung wala nato gi-measure ang charger sa plugs, dili sila mag-vote perfectly fit. Dili sila mag-fit duha. So, unsaon na lang ang pag-charge sa cellphone. So, right angles provide balance and uniformity, making design our daily object accurate and reliable.
Good day. In behalf of my groupmates, I am assigned to explain and demonstrate the Euclid's postulate 5. So the Euclid's postulate 5 is the mystery of parallel. So the question is, why do they look like they meet? And what does this suggest about parallel lines? So they look like they meet due to perspective. This suggests that parallel lines, although defined as never meeting, appear to converge in the distance similar to how roads seem to meet at the horizon. So imagine two lines. So mag-assume ta nga road ni siya. So, ang duha ka line is same sa example sa relationship. If they meet each other while walking, pero wala sila nag-intersect, nag-form na sila of parallel lines. So, parehas ani sa road. So, naay duha ka linya. If the two lines never intersect with each other, they are called parallel lines. Isan kaon, mag-slant pa na siya, ay mag-standing pa na siya, or slant pa na siya. If wala sila nag-intersect, matawag sila na parallel lines. So obviously, they are parallel lines.